fight against COVID-19, mines, factories, supermarkets, banks, medical facilities, and many more are beginning to need emergency safe spaces to quarantine staff and continue business. With 180,000 square meters, 600 quarantine apartments, an essential services hotel, and a quarantine hotel. Separate ground floor units serviced by trained sanitizing staff. We've got loads of alternative business space. Disaster recovery sites with ready Wi-Fi. And there are 2 supersize areas ideal for manufacturing or warehousing. Kitchens and staff to cater for you. We're government approved and our sanitizing and safety protocol is unsurpassed. And it's an honor to serve you. Call us now.